Hey everyone, welcome back to Lapinside. In this video, we're going to upgrade the RAM on the ASUS F1504VA step by step. If your laptop feels slow or struggles with multitasking, this RAM upgrade can make a big difference. Before we start, make sure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. The ASUS F1504VA comes with limited memory from the factory, but upgrading the RAM is simple and very effective. After the RAM upgrade, boot time and overall performance are noticeably better. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your laptop model below.